everyone, welcome to Andri Craft Shows. In today's video, I will share with you how I made these beautiful lavender flowers. All you're gonna need is 3 different colors of yarn. The darker color, the medium color, and the lighter color. You can use whatever you like, but of course this is a lavender, so we're gonna use the lilac colors. You also need a 𝚘𝚰𝚘𝚗. This is a fabric glow, but if you don't have this, you can use whatever you have in there. You're gonna need scissors. This is a beginner friendly crochet. You're gonna need these markers, also a stick or a wire where you can bend the flowers, and of course you're gonna need a hook. I'm gonna use 2mm hook. That depends on the size of your yarn, by the way, so you can adjust. The bigger the yarn, the bigger the hook you're gonna need. So let's get started. I already made my foundation. This is 100 chain. So to make this for the beginners, you just have to slip knot, chain like that, and then you just continue until you reach 100 chain. I'll see you then. Once you have your foundation, you skip first chain, insert into the second chain, single crochet, and then insert into the third chain, single crochet again. Now this time you're gonna chain 2, insert in the same chain or stitch, slip stitch, and then insert again to the next chain or stitch, and then slip stitch again. Did you get it? We'll do it again. Chain 2, insert into the same stitch, then slip stitch, and again insert into the next stitch or chain, then slip stitch again. So 2 times you slip stitch. First in the same stitch, and then second, and then chain 2, and again you just have to repeat it many times. I'm gonna do this 10 times with chain 2. Alright, so as we carry on, you have to be careful of the countings here, because we're gonna need to increase this chain. Like as you see here, here is a little bit skinny until it becomes bigger and bigger until here. So this is where the chain goes, or the increased chain goes. So already I have 2 chain, insert into the same stitch, again insert into the next stitch and slip stitch, and then chain 2. Carry on doing that until you have enough. Then after, I will show you how to increase. I already have enough. Let's just make the last one. So I didn't actually count the numbers of the things like with the chain 2. But if you are meticulous as a beginners, now you can put these markers here or wherever the last before you increase. And then you can play along with the numbers. If you're beginners, you can start with 10 of these with a 2 chain. Now I'm going to increase. So we already have slip stitch in the same stitch. Again, I will slip stitch in the next. And then now I'm gonna increase into chain Ta-da-dang! You have now a bunch of lavender flower, and I made also a little butterfly, as you can see. I will make another tutorial on how I put this green stuff here. So stay tuned and please subscribe for more videos. God bless us all. Bye-bye.